Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in JotForm using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a lead source tracking and marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the exact marketing campaign and entire journey behind every lead on your website. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your free account. Next, add your website to SourceLoop and copy the tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your website. If you are using WordPress, you can use a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section. And here, paste the code and click on Save Changes. If you are using any other CMS such as Webflow, Framer, etc., you can add this code in your site's global header setting. Next, let's go to JotForm and here, edit your existing form or create a new one. Now we need to add a hidden field to our JotForm so that it can receive unique visitor ID of SourceLoop for the user who is submitting the form. Then we will connect JotForm with SourceLoop using a webhook so that whenever a new submission comes in, JotForm will send it to SourceLoop and SourceLoop will use that visitor ID to match the attribution data it has already captured. Let's click on Add Element, then add a sort text field. I'll drag and drop it here. Click on the properties icon, name it SourceLoop ID, then navigate to Advanced tab, toggle on the Hide Field option, then go to Field Details. And here we need to enter the unique name. It should be SL_AID. You need to ensure that you are using this exact value in lowercase without any space. Once this is done, let's close this and then we will go to the settings. Let's go to integration and then choose webhook as integration option. We need to add the webhook address here. To get this address, let's go back to SourceLoop and then navigate to the setup page. Here, go to incoming webhook section and then copy the webhook. Let's go back to JotForm and paste the webhook and click on complete integration. Now we have successfully connected SourceLoop and JotForm using a webhook. Finally, navigate to the publish section, then go to embed and copy your embed code. You need to add this on one of your page where you have installed SourceLoop tracking code. I have already added this form on our WordPress website. So let's test this out. To do this, we'll visit our test website using some UTM parameter related to mobile ad. I'll hit enter and then we will navigate to the JotForm page. Here, I make a test submission, so let's enter my name, phone number, email, and click on submit. Now we have submitted the form, so we will go back to SourceLoop and then go to contact section. And here, as you can see, SourceLoop has captured the conversion. If we navigate to the right, we can see it has also captured the UTM parameter such as paid search, Google, and the campaign and the content, with other attribution data such as landing page, click ID, first touch attribution data, and so on. You can click on the preview and this will show you the entire journey of the conversion. Here we can exactly see how they discovered our website, what was the UTM parameter behind the visit, what pages they built, what links they clicked, and then eventually how they converted into a lead. SourceLoop also offered pre-built dashboard where you can see the conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, etc. The best part about SourceLoop is it can capture even those marketing touchpoints which does not have a UTM parameter in visit. So let's say someone is visiting your website through organic Google search, SourceLoop can still detect those traffic and attribute to the right user. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.